In this video, I plan on talking about a feature in the new Canva update that has significantly streamlined the creation of designs as well as social media posts, whether for a print on demand business or any other kind of design. This feature is actually Canva's new feature, which is called Magic Studio at Scale. What has happened is that with this Magic Studio, now we can create pages of different aspect ratio in the same document, where previously a single document in Canva could be of only one aspect ratio. So the first way I'm going to use the one-stop design studio of Canva is by adding different aspect ratios that are needed for different print-on-demand clothing. So if I created a document for creating a design for a t-shirt, which is what this is, then every page would have to be used for that particular t-shirt. If I wanted to use the same design on a hoodie or a poster, then I would have to create another document with the necessary aspect ratio and copy paste the elements of the design to that document. But that is no longer necessary. As you can see now, in this add page section in Canva, there is this drop down menu. If I click add page, it is going to create a page with the same aspect ratio as this one. But if you click this drop down menu and then go to this more option, we get the option to customize size. So what I'm going to do is click this drop down, click more, and then customize and put in the aspect ratio needed for a hoodie instead of a t-shirt. So I'm going to change the unit, and here is the new page in the aspect ratio needed for a hoodie. And I'm going to change the background color to white, and I'm going to identify pages by just naming the pages. A good naming system is important to stay organized. I have experienced that. So what I can do now is just select and copy all the elements in this design, duplicate, and then bring it down here, and then resize as needed. And we can also resize the individual elements as necessary. And you get the idea. Now you can just continue and add the pages in this aspect ratio necessary for different social media and copy the designs there in the same document, but I don't advise that. What I do suggest is creating a document with all the aspect ratio supported by different social media and just put in the design and mockups in those and reuse them as necessary. So I am in this folder which I have created called socials, and I'm going to add a new design here, create new design, and this is going to be I'm going to do this for YouTube thumbnail, and then add other social media aspect ratios to this by clicking the social media icon, and there is an Instagram post. Scroll down, and another one that I need is Facebook post, and another one is a Facebook video. I'm just going to name them so I do not mix up what is what. Another thing we can do is click this button here, and this carousel type thing comes up. From here, we can also click this plus button to add pages and this drop down button to add pages with different aspect ratio than the one the document was created with. And as you can see, the images are given this little heart icon to identify them. To get out of this view, we can just click this option here, hover over this three dot menu, and go to this new resize page option. This is a paid option. If you're part of Canva Pro, then you can access this. So I'm going to click this, and there are all these loaded aspect ratios, and we can also create a custom one. So the two things that have been immediately most useful for me from the design studio of Canva is that I'm able to add different aspect ratios needed for different clothing in the same document, and in this way copy an image that I am using for t-shirt and seamlessly add it to a hoodie, to a bag, and to a poster without having to change documents and just endlessly pasting things from one document to another. And the other thing is having all the different aspect ratios needed for all the social media platforms in the same space so that I can create a thumbnail for my YouTube video, Instagram post, and Facebook post, and Twitter post in the same page. I hope this also helps you in streamlining the creation of designs and the social media posts needed to promote those designs and or print on demand items that you create. This seems like a complete game changer to me. For more on calm growth both online and offline, consider clicking the like and subscribe button. Hope this has been helpful to you. Have a good day and see you soon.